So today we're going to be doing a oil reset on a 2008 IS250. Should be the same for IS350 and ISF. We'll turn the power button on, press it twice, and it's going to bring up our odometer. We do not want it on trip A or trip B. We want it on ODO. We're going to press the power button again to turn everything off. And then we're going to hold this trip reset here in the left bottom corner. We're going to just press and hold it. And then we're going to press the power button twice. And it should start counting down there. See those blinking? Boom, reset. And that's how you reset the oil light on a 2008 to 2012, I believe, IS250, IS350, and ISF. Thank you for watching.